Welcome to Airgale. In this video, we'll walk through the installation process for your Airgale ceiling fan. Airgale fans are designed for both indoor and outdoor spaces with a focus on durability, efficiency, and ease of installation. Whether you're upgrading an existing fan or installing one for the first time, this guide will help you get your fan up and running quickly and confidently. Before you begin, make sure you have a standard ceiling fan rated electrical box, basic hand tools, and a power source that's turned off at the breaker. Each Airgale fan includes the mounting hardware you need, a down rod for standard installation, and a remote control for easy operation once installation is complete. Start by securely attaching the mounting bracket to your ceiling electrical box. Airgale fans are designed with flexible mounting options, making installation straightforward on standard or angled ceilings. Once the bracket is firmly in place, you're ready to assemble the fan body. Next, connect the fan wiring according to the included instructions. Airgale fans are built with clear, easy-to-follow wiring connections to simplify installation. After wiring is complete, attach the fan motor housing to the mounting bracket, ensuring it's secure before proceeding. Attach the fan blades using the provided hardware. Airgale blades are made from durable materials designed for long-lasting performance indoors and outdoors. Once installed, the blades are balanced to deliver smooth, quiet airflow at every speed. Install the integrated LED light kit by following the included instructions. Airgale fans feature dimmable LED lighting with multiple color temperature options, allowing you to customize both brightness and ambiance for your space. Once the light kit is secure, complete the final assembly and restore power at the breaker. Your Airgale fan includes a remote control for convenient operation. Use the remote to adjust fan speed, dim the lights, select color temperature, and reverse the motor direction. The reversible motor allows you to create cooling airflow in summer and circulate warm air in winter for year-round comfort. As you complete your installation, it's important to know that your fan is built to meet the highest standards. And unlike many competitors, all Airgale fans are DOE and CEC listed and UL certified for trusted efficiency and safety. This ensures dependable performance, energy efficiency, and peace of mind for your home. With installation complete, you're ready to enjoy modern comfort and dependable performance. Thank you for choosing Airgale. For additional support or product information, visit our website or contact our customer care team.